How to make stickers on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Snapchat to the latest version. Then open up Snapchat on a device. Now on the home page, tap on the camera icon. Now click any photo. Now tap on the scissor icon at the right menu. Now draw the shape for the sticker. You can choose from rectangle, ellipse, or simply free draw. Now choose any of them. Now draw a closed surface. Now tap on done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.